Let me guess. You've been told you have to get into digital marketing, but every time you try, you're hit with a tidal wave of confusing advice, right? One guru says it's all about SEO, another swears by Facebook ads, and suddenly you feel like you need to become an expert in 12 different things at once, and you haven't even started yet. It's overwhelming, and honestly, it's enough to make you want to just quit before you even start. So let's cut through the noise. In this video, we're going to build a simple, actionable, digital marketing strategy from scratch. This is your clear roadmap, no jargon, no fluff, even if you're starting at absolute zero. If you're ready to finally understand how all these pieces actually fit together, you're in the right place. Part 1. What digital marketing really is and what it isn't. First, let's get one thing straight. Digital marketing isn't just about posting on Instagram or boosting a few posts. That's like saying architecture is just about hammering nails. Those are just the tools, not the blueprint. At its heart, digital marketing is simply the process of using online channels, search engines, social media, email, to connect with the people who need what you offer. Think of it like this. Old school marketing was like using a giant, expensive fishing net. You'd throw it in the ocean with a billboard or TV ad and just hope you caught the right fish. Digital marketing lets you be a sniper. You can find the exact people who are actively looking for a solution like yours, right where they spend their time online. But the real secret isn't just being online. It's about building a system that guides someone from being a complete stranger to becoming a happy, loyal customer. And that entire system starts with a mindset shift that most beginners completely miss. Alright, lean in for a second, because if you only take one thing away from this video, this is it. Strategy comes before tactics, always. So, what's the difference? Your strategy is your big picture plan. It's the who, what, and why. It answers questions like, who am I trying to reach? What problem do I solve for them? And why is my solution the best choice? Your strategy is your compass. Without it, you're just stumbling around in the dark. Your tactics are the specific things you do to execute that strategy. They're the how. Posting on LinkedIn is a tactic. Writing a blog post is a tactic. Running a Google ad is a tactic. The single biggest mistake beginners make is jumping straight into tactics because it feels productive. They'll say, I need to be on TikTok, before ever asking, is my ideal customer even on TikTok, and what am I trying to achieve there? This is how you burn time, money, and motivation with nothing to show for it. A huge part of your strategy is also learning how to talk about what you do. Remember, people don't buy features, they buy outcomes. They don't buy a drill, they buy a hole in the wall. They don't buy a fitness plan, they buy the feeling of confidence on their beach vacation. Always, always frame your marketing around the transformation you provide. Once you have your strategy nailed down, then you can pick the right tools for the job. Okay, so with your strategy in mind, where does the marketing actually happen? There are tons of channels, but for a beginner, you only need to focus on 5 core pillars. Seriously, mastering just 1 or 2 of these is enough to make a massive impact. Pillar 1. Your website. Your website is the only piece of digital real estate you will ever truly own. Social media algorithms change, platforms can disappear, but your website is yours forever. It's the central hub where all roads lead. You don't need anything fancy, just a clean professional site that loads fast, works on mobile, and clearly states who you are, what you do, and who you help. Pillar 2. Content and SEO. The magnet for 2026. This used to be about pulling people in with blog posts and videos. Now it's about that and something more. With AI-powered search engines now answering a huge number of questions directly, the game has changed. The goal of SEO is no longer just to rank number 1 on a list of links, but to become a trusted source that AI systems cite. This is where creating high-quality content that demonstrates EEAT, experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trust becomes non-negotiable. And, in a world where 90% of online content is AI-generated, your human expertise and unique voice are your ultimate competitive advantage. Pillar 3. Social media and video. The Community Hub social media is your digital town square. It's where you build community and have conversations. The key is to be on the right platforms, the ones where your ideal customers actually hang out. Are they professionals on LinkedIn, creatives on Instagram? Don't try to be everywhere. Be where it counts. And in 2026, video isn't just an option. It's essential across all channels. It's how you build connection and trust at scale. Pillar 4. Email marketing. The direct relationship. Don't let anyone tell you email is dead. It remains the single most powerful and profitable marketing channel. Why? Because it's a direct line to people who have asked to hear from you. You're not fighting an algorithm. You own your list. Use it to build relationships, share value, and guide people toward your solutions. It's personal, direct, and the ROI is unmatched. Pillar 5. Paid advertising. The accelerator organic channels like SEO and content take time. Paid ads on platforms like Google or Facebook are how you get immediate visibility. It's like pouring gasoline on your marketing fire. You can target specific demographics and interests to put your message right in front of your ideal audience fast. But it's a tool that works best when you already have a solid foundation, a clear strategy, a good website, and a valuable offer. My advice? Get your organic engine running first, then use paid ads to scale what's already working. So, how do these pillars work together? They guide a person through a marketing funnel, a simple path from stranger to customer. 1. Awareness. This is the, "Hi, nice to meet you" moment. Someone finds you through a Google search that cited your content, a social media video, or a targeted ad. Your goal is simply to get their attention. 2. They're intrigued. They read a few of your articles, follow you on social media, or maybe join your email list for a free resource. They're trying to figure out if you're the real deal. 3. Action. This is the moment of truth. Based on the trust you've built, they take the action you've been leading them toward, making a purchase, booking a call, or signing up. 4. Loyalty. The journey isn't over. This final stage is about turning that one-time customer into a true fan who buys again and tells their friends about you. Great service and ongoing value through email are your best friends here. Your job as a marketer is to build a smooth path from one stage to the next. You can't talk about marketing today without mentioning AI. Tools like ChatGPT are incredible assistants. Use them for research, brainstorming, and drafting content. But it's crucial to understand their new role. They are integrated partners in your workflow. Let AI do the heavy lifting on data, analysis, and first drafts, but never let it replace your strategic mind, your unique voice, or your genuine human connection. People connect with people, not prompts. And that's it, the real fundamentals of digital marketing. We've covered what it truly is, why strategy is everything, the 5 pillars you need to know, and how they all fit together. The secret to actually getting started is to not do everything at once. That's a surefire path to burnout. Here's your action plan. First, get obsessed with your strategy. Who are you for, and what's the transformation you offer? Second, build your home base, a simple, clean website. Third, pick one channel to master. Whether it's building authority with SEO-focused articles or creating community with short-form video, go all in on that one thing. If you found this guide helpful and want to go deeper, make sure you subscribe. We'll be breaking down each of these pillars in the coming weeks. Now stop thinking about it and go start building. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.